guys, welcome to Chef LeBron. Today we're going to make romantic meals per her request. Let's start with the appetizer. We're going to make Japanese style salad. You probably see that at Japanese restaurant, and I love those type of salad. And let's show you how. Let's begin.
We're going to make a carrot ginger dressing. And first we're going to use 2 chopped carrots, half a cup of yellow onion, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, half a cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of salt to start, freshly ground black pepper. Now we're going to blend this all together until it's nice and smooth. So we're going to put this to liquefy. I'm going to add just a little bit of honey for sweetness. Let's give this a taste. Very good. Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator so it gets nice and cooled and crisp. We have some fresh romaine lettuce that we've chopped into smaller pieces, half of a cucumber, Korean radish, and we soaked it in some water and lime juice just until we were ready for our meal. Shredded carrots, and this is the dressing that we just made. Take these out of the water. Got our carrots. Oh, it's so vibrant. Spoon in some of the dressing and then we'll toss it together. Just wanted a really fresh salad to go along with our heavier meal that is accompanying it. What do you think?
More generous.
A little more?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Let's try Japanese salad.
That's good.
All these ingredients mix up very well and it's very tasty. I think it's perfect for like little appetizer before eating the heavy meal. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!